Hey sis, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, hi, my name is Miss K. And thank you for coming to this video. Thank you for clicking that button and watching this. You know, if you haven't already, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another upload from me. Okay? Well, we're trying to make this a sisterhood. A sisterhood. You know? We all gotta slay. All have to. Already subscribe. Hit that notification bell. If you want to know how I got this look right here, please keep on watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Go, Kelly, go. Go, go, Kelly, go. Go, Kelly, go. Go, go, Kelly, go. Whoa. I'm such a goofball. Alright, so we're just going to jump right in and we're going to go ahead and we're going to use our Juvia's Place, the Festival palette. We're going to be using 4 colors today. We're going to be using, I don't know how to pronounce these words, y'all. So I'm going to try my best, okay? And I'm also going to point at them so y'all can see them. But we're going to be using Oro, Afala. I hope I said that right. I hope I said that right. Airy G and Abba. So we're going to be using this one, this one, this one, and this one. And it's kind of like a sunsetty look. But yeah, we're going to hop right into it. Alright, so I brought you guys closer just so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Let me put my hair behind my ears. It's more like a sunsetty vibe going on up at the top and then like a pop of color on the bottom. I thought that was so cute and I got carried away and I drugged it out a little bit. But, it's a sunset. So why not connect it, But for the first shade, we're going to go in with Oro, which is right here. Let me get my brush that I was using. Alright, so we're going to go in with Oro. I'm just going to get it all over my brush. And we're just going to just go in circular motions. I forgot to buy some white concealer just so that the colors can pop more. If you use a white concealer on a darker skin tone, the colors will pop. And I'm going to need to use my mirror. I'm sorry, y'all, if y'all can hear my mother and my grandmother in the background. They are super loud. My room is next to the steps where the living room is. Sorry, y'all. I just had to let y'all know that. Sorry. So y'all may hear them throughout this video. And we're just gonna keep steadily building it up until we can see the color. And in this moment, I'm stamping it. I'm stamping it instead of doing circular motions because I feel like it'll pack on better. Okay. So now we're going to go into the shade Afala. And we're just going to put this, above our crease. You see my little crease right here? We're just going to put it above the crease. So I'm going to stamp this on as well. I'm just going to stamp it just to get my placing right. Because we do want it to match the other side. And we're just going to put this all over our lid now. And now since we have that stamped on there and we know exactly where it's going, I'm just going to start doing circular motion. Start to drag it out just a little bit how I did this side. Just going to drag it out a little bit. So then we're going to go in with our blender brush. And this has no product on it. And we're just going to blend that yellow with this reddish orange. Just so we don't have any harsh lines. Okay. And so now we're going to go in with Airy G. I'm going to go with Airy G. I want to make sure that's packed on there too, because we're going to put it over that reddish orange color. And we're just going to go back in with that reddish shade. And now I'm just stamping that paint back over again. But instead we're just going to swipe it down. That is looking pretty darn good, if I do say so myself. So we're just going to go back in with that yellowish color. And we're just going to bring that color back in while also blending the edges of the reddish orangish color. Sorry, y'all. Go over here and fix this eye too. Just with that yellow. Just so it'll pop more. Pop, pop, pop. Okay. Now the fun parts. This blue. It's like a blue shimmer. This is Abba. It's like a blue shimmer. And I have it on a flat brush. It's an eyeliner brush from Elf, so it's like real flat. And it's like just the right size for me to do that little wing part, which I think is so cute. So cute. And we're just gonna, I like to stamp it to drag it up. I don't like to just go like that. I like to stamp it. I don't know. I feel like it goes on better. And you get more pigment that way too. Because when you swipe it to go up, you lose pigment. I don't want that to happen. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Alright, y'all. So we're just going to go ahead and put on our lashes. I'm going to go in with our mascara. Alright, y'all. So the lashes are on. Lashes make a difference to even though this look was already shapopping, it was already shapopping. We needed a little extra over the top to go with it. I'm cute. You can't tell me. You don't even gotta tell me. I'm cute. I know. I'm cute. I know. You gonna be cute too. Pause. Y'all already cute. Sis. Y'all. I tried to do a nude. I mean, see, that means I need to do a nude. I'm over here talking about nude. I love a nude. Alright. So I'm gonna just stick to it right now. Okay, I tried to do this cute little colorful, you know, little bow, little lip to go with the cute little colorful bow eye look, but it's not working. Alright, so I'm gonna just go in with my fave, my holy grail. This is my NYX lip liner in espresso. Holy grail. Okay. See? Stick to what you know. Alright, so I'm gonna go into Clean Kisses by the Crayon Case. I think this will be a cute little nude. See? When you stick to what you know, stick to what you know, honey. That nude was going to be popping regardless. This look was going to be fierce regardless. Stick to what you know. I'm going to use Yuli. Yule. Yule. Even though I feel like this is already popping. And then let me do a highlight on my brow bone. Alright, y'all, so that completes this look. I think it came out fire, bomb, shit popping. Tell me what you guys think. Put it down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think and everything on this look and how bomb it came out. And y'all should try it. Y'all should really get Juvia's Place Festival palette. You should get the Zulu palette. I have that. And I also have the Saharan Blush Volume 1 and 2 palettes. I am going to be getting more palettes because their eyeshadow palettes are so pigment. Oh my gosh, it's so pigment. But I think in my next video, I'm going to try something different. I think I'm going to use my crayon case palette. My crayon case. So I think I'm going to do that in my next video. I really think I am. So, yeah. So, just get into this. Get up close for y'all so y'all can see the little shit in her eyelid. I'm not saying highlight, I'm saying eyelid. Eyelid. So cute. Alright, y'all. I'm out of here. Bye.